I'd like to request members as well.
Sa puntong ito, nakita natin magkatabi na naman itong si Saldico at itong si Teacher. Ayan, sa anggulong ito makikita naman natin na medyo magkalayo pero magkatabi pa rin. Alam nyo na, mahirap mapalayo dahil syempre kailangan pa rin ang bulong-bulong.
To respect,
yes, Chair. The rules. The rule says if a point of order is raised, the Chair will have to rule on the point of order.
Yes, and the point of order is not to discuss previous years. At kasasabi lang po natin, kaya nga gusto ko pong magsalita. Kanina po, sinabi ko na, pinaliwanag ko na po, na ang previous years ay napaka-importante po. Sinabi ko na po kanina, mali pala naging aksyon natin. Yun ay piniliwanag ko na. And on the basis of that,
dito naman ay matutunghayan natin ang pag-deny nitong si Teacher Stella Kimbo kung saan sinabi niya na una ang stick to the plan. Pero nung siya itinanong ni VP Sara, ay kanya pong itong i-deny. Tingnan natin.
I ruled that we stick to our plan. I ruled that we stick to our plan. We stick to our plan. And nakasulat po yan sa lahat ng liham natin. Sa lahat.
Saan po nakasulat? Sa script po ba? Sino po nagbigay ng script? Yan po ba yung katabi mong si Saldico?
Pero nakahanda na yung mga sagot niya sa lahat ng arguments namin sa national security, sa due process, and sa separation of powers. Is this part ba of what you said earlier, Representative Kimbo, let's stick to the plan? Yun yung narinig ko sa iyo kanina na hindi mo in-accommodate yung point of order na question.
Kaninong point of order ba yung hindi niya ina-accommodate? Stella, kaninong point of order? Tara, balikan natin.
Point of order is more important than the answer.
I will repeat what I said earlier. The subject matter...
So, ito pala yung point of order mula kay Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na inignore nitong si Kimbo.
The 2025 budget. And yes, it is customary to examine the 2024 budget. But we are having a very, very close and very, very even eloquent examination of the 2022 budget.
So anong pinopoint dito ni GMA? Ibig sabihin pag 2024 ang budget na pinag-uusapan, busisin ang 2023, which is kaya natanggal yung confidential fund ng 2024 dahil binusisi yung 2023 budget. Ngayon, ang pinag-uusapan ay 2025 expenditure. Pero itong mga makabayan block na ito ay 2022-2023 na issues pa. Yung confidential funds, wala na nga confidential funds noong 2024 at 2025, wala.
For our 23 budget, for which we have already taken action by removing the confidential funds of the Vice President in the 2024 budget. So I submit again, Madam Chair, that this is not, I mean, if we're talking about oversight, yes, there is oversight of any House committee, but not during the budget hearing of a specific year's budget. So there is a Committee on Public Accountability chaired by Congressman Paduano. So all of those are all venues within the House, not to mention the issue, the legal issue of what is already being discussed in the Supreme Court. So I raise the continuing point of order, Madam Chair.
Oh, ayan, malinaw. Saan ba yung tamang venue? Unang-una ay sa Supreme Court, which is may pending cases nga doon si VP Sara. At pangalawa, kung sinasabi ni Brosas na ito ay tamang venue daw yung House, oo, tamang venue, pero hindi sa budget hearing. Malinaw po ba? Congressman ka ba? O ano? Malinaw na pwede ito pag-usapan kay Paduano na siya po ang chairman ng accountability.
Thank you, ma'am, for your insights. But again,
Madam Chair, there is a point of order. Please rule on the point of order.
O diba, instead na mag-rule siya doon sa point of order ni GMA, anong ginawa? Initya pa rin, in-ignore.
We have already, Madam...
It is a must for the Chair to rule on the point of order. There is a point of order, Madam Chair.
The Chair is speaking. I would like to request members as well to respect
Yes, Madam Chair.
Sandali
That is
lang.
the rule. So the rule says if a point of order is raised, the chair will have to rule on the point of order.
Yes, and the point of order is not to discuss previous years.
Is this part ba of what you said earlier, Representative Kimbo, let's stick to the plan? Yun yung narinig ko sa iyo kanina.
Okay, so pakinggan natin yung pag-deny dito ni Kimbo.
Note all your comments. I do not recall saying the phrase, stick to the plan, Madam Vice President. And
Madam Chair, deny pa more. Rewind natin, rewind.
I ruled that we stick to our plan. We stick to our plan. We stick to our plan. And nakasulat po yan sa lahat.
At para hindi mahalata na siya ay nadulas, binago niya ang kanyang linya.
Rule. So, yes, we will take note of the request of our Madam Vice President. Let's stick to our topic.